going to be deploying and setting up the mobile command vehicle. I've just arrived on scene. The site command has told me where to position the unit. I am now currently parked there and ready to park the vehicle. Apply neutral, apply the parking brake, and we can move on. So once the vehicle's been parked and placed properly, we'll deploy the steps. There's a step control switch, turn to the on position. I always like to open the door wide enough so that I can view the operation of the steps to make sure they deploy completely. Press the extend and allow the steps to open. Now exit the vehicle to complete the chalk setting. Next, we'll be adding the grab handle to the step assemblies. It's located in the C2 box. And we'll do a walk around of the vehicle just to make sure the general area is clear of any obstruction for the remainder of the deployment. Okay, now we'll enter the cabin and level the vehicle and then apply the leveling jacks. Okay, at this point, we're going to allow the airbags for the chassis to vent, and then we will initiate the operation of the leveling jacks. Now deploy the jacks. Okay, now that the jacks have been set, we'll exit the vehicle and make sure that they've been set properly and accordingly. Now we'll verify that all of the jacks, leveling jacks, are deployed and down. Okay, now we'll go in and turn the genset on and deploy the slide outs. Next, we'll give ourselves a little lighting in the cabin. We will start the genset. It has about a 20-second delay before startup as the motor does its self-check, and then it should engage automatically. Okay, it sounds like we're running. Next, we can move on and deploy our slide outs. Both of them have keyed off-on switches. Turn it to the on position, press the extend. Allow the slide out to extend fully before removing your finger from the extend button. Next, we will do the street or passenger side. Next, we can shut off the vehicle's key and run off the generator power. Okay, at this point, we're ready to deploy the satellite communications devices inside of this cabinet assembly. There is a start and stop power switch for the main unit. Turn that on, push button, and it will power the entire wall assembly. Following the power up, you'll notice that the monitor check is engaged. Please wait. Once it's ready, press run to deploy the satellite, and the dish will self-center and locate itself. Okay, once we've initiated the setup for the satellite, it'll take a few moments to set up. You should see a lock indicated within the window. Once it does that, you should be operational. We'll go ahead and close this cabinet up, and then I'm going to grab the joystick for the rear-mounted exterior camera. Before we plug that in, let's go ahead and give the phone a try and see if it's operational yet. That sounds as though it's working. So next we'll connect the joystick controller for the exterior mounted camera. There's a designated connector underneath the corner of this table. Just plug it in directly. Next we'll go to the exterior of the vehicle and do the setup of the camera mast. Okay, so now we'll access the C4 compartment for the controls for the extendable camera mast. This has a remote switch for the extension of the camera mast. Press and hold. Allow the camera to extend to its desired height. Once reached, just let go and it'll hold. That pretty much concludes the setup for the mobile command vehicle. Thanks for your time.